Hi guys, today we are going to see how to remove Gemini logo from this image, for example. I have this image that I generated with Gemini and I'm gonna remove this logo. Go to canva.com and after that press create and then I'm gonna click upload. I'm gonna upload the file. I'm gonna drag the image there and then click edit image, and after that magic cursor, click on it and take the brush and click on the Gemini logo. Then erase. It will erase it. Wait a little bit. And after that, as you can see, the Gemini logo has been disappeared, has been erased. Gonna download this again. And this is what we got. A new original image without the logo. Like and subscribe. See you next time.